Hey Danny gang, it's Melissa Danielle. I'm here to do a Fashion Nova haul for you guys. I'm a Fashion Nova partner. All opinions are my own. I was requested by Tanya Posey. She's a longtime cubby. I already say cubby, but your guys' names are changing. Your cubbies, your bells, you're part of Danny gang, which is the whole collection of you all. But yeah, I was requested by her to do a all white party haul slash look. So I'm going to be doing a look at the beginning of this video. It's going to be quick because I don't want this video to be too long. I want to show you guys how I achieved this makeup look, this hair. And then, of course, I'm going to show you guys the different outfits I have for the all-white party. You can choose which outfit that you like the best and go purchase that. Everything will be linked down below in the description bar, so go check down below there. And you guys know with Fashion Nova, they're always having sales. So no, I don't have a discount code, but yes, there's always a sale going on, so you're always going to get a discount on your purchase. So yeah, go to fashionnovapartner.com and check out their website. And of course, links are down below in the description bar.
Anywhere you go, you belong. Anywhere you say, anywhere.
all the items I'm going to try, I'm going to show them to you. The price I'm going to put on the screen with a picture of the outfit, so that way you guys know the price, and I'll give you guys the sizing and how it fits. I am a size 18. I'm 5'9". I wear a size 2X, and I have like a 40 triple D in my bra. So with that opening out the way, let's just jump right into this haul. It's called the Best of Me leggings set. I have a 1X. If you remember the singer Maya, she's a song called The Best of Me. That is my jam. I used to love that song. But when I think about the name of this outfit, I think about that song. So I was like, that's too cute. No, this is not part of the whole all white haul. I just saw this outfit and I wanted it. You guys know I'm doing this whole weight loss journey thing. If you have not seen it, I've already put my first video up, so I'll link that down below as well. Saw my girl Lace and Leopard wearing this. I had to have it. So cute. So no, it's not part of this haul, but I just wanted to open up in this outfit so you guys can see it. I have a size 1X. I'm glad I got a 1X because I thought it was going to be stretchy and I wanted it to fit real tight. So I have a size 1X. As you guys can see, it's stretchy. It does stretch. It's very comfortable. It's not sheer and see-through. Like, it is just amazing. I love this. I wish it came in different prints and patterns, but it doesn't. But I love this set. The color combination, the fit, the material, which is like this knitted, ribbed material. It's not thick, so you can definitely wear it in the summertime, but it is just phenomenal. So I just wanted to get this set just for my collection, but everything else is part of the all-white haul. So let's jump right into that. So guys, it was getting hot in here because of the lights and the heat outside and jumping in and out of clothes, and of course it's hair. So I had to turn the air conditioner on, so the sound might be a little bit iffy. I'm going to try to edit the sound. I'm editing the video, so hopefully you won't hear a lot of buzzing in the background. If you do, I am so freaking sorry, but I want to get this video done while the request is still fresh. So forgive the noise in the background if you do hear the air conditioner on. So I have the Working You plaid blazer on. This is a size 2X. It's a taupe combo. And then my outfit is called Deets skirt set, like DES skirt set. I thought was so hilarious. So actually, let me show you guys on a minute. At first, when I picked out this skirt set, I picked out to go along with this cover-up. It's a swimsuit cover-up. I told you guys previously that I wear swimsuit cover-ups just as cover-ups when I go outside, because, like, what's the difference? So this one is called Summer of Love Sheer Swim Cover-Up Kimono, a size 2X. I have it in white. It does come in black as well. Fashion Nova have a lot of different awesome cover-ups, so look out for them. But I thought this would be really cute. And so I'm going to show you guys both of them so you can see how they fit and what they look like. I am obsessed with this blazer. Like, I am in love. It's like a double-breasted blazer. Oh, this is cute buttoned up too. Oh, okay, Fashion Nova. I love this so much. I have a biker short set I'm going to be wearing with this, and I cannot wait to style it because I think it would be so cute. But I thought it was really cute too with this skirt set. It's just bomb. So these are the Sunday brunch heeled sandals in the color nude. And I got these because, like, I have some other ones that are, you know, like the square toe weave basket thing. But these have a chunky heel, which is going to be more comfortable to walk in. So I had to get these. And they are super comfortable. I actually wanted to wear these with this outfit. But when I put it on, I was like, baby, it's not matching. It does not look good. So I put my white ones on instead. But so comfortable. I have an 11 wide for my foot. And these fit very comfortably. I think because they're square toes that are a little bit right. They're a little bit wider than typical shoes. But they fit comfortably, same as the ones that I have on. All very comfortable. Actually, let me show you guys close up. These are the ones I'm wearing right now. You can see the difference in the heels. So plus size, chunky heel. Yes, it's a plus. But these are like kitten heels on these ones, so they're sort of so these are comfortable as well. But of course, a chunky heel is going to be way more comfortable. But yeah, these are white, so I thought they look better than these because these are like a taupey nude color, and they're like a little bit too vibrant for this outfit. I wear this belt. I get a ton of questions. This is also from Fashion Nova as well, so I will link this down below for you guys. So this blazer fits great. It's very comfortable, very cute, very stylish. I am obsessed with it. Cover up. I try to do a clip of it. It just flows, you guys. Like, it flows. I got my fan on, so it flows in the wind. It's so beautiful. It's sheer. It's soft. It's very lightweight, as you guys can see. Very, very cute. And if you are wearing it over a sundress or a skirt, or if you're wearing it at the beach with a swimsuit, this is a must-have for the summer. So this is the Vibes Crochet long sleeve cover-up. This is the color white, and I have a size 2X. So a few things about this. This looks like it's more ivory than it's white. Like, when you see it in person, it has like a little bit of like a warmness to it. It's not white. Like, right now I'm wearing some white jeans, and it's just clashing. Like, it's two different colors. So this is more of an ivory. Also, I would size up with this because this sucker is tight. Like I had to squeeze into it, but it's so cute and it comes in black. But I would go at least one size up. This is what it looks like. I don't even want to show you guys the outfit because I don't. But I'll show you. I'll show you. But I don't want the way it looks. Like it's just, it's not giving me the look I was going for. So I would show it to you guys, but this is not the look I was going for. Anyways, but the shirt is super duper cute, just size up. And like I said, it comes in black. So it's the Filling Rouge Mesh Maxi Dress, a size 2X. A color white, of course. So it's white and it has like a tan built-in slip underneath there. So like it sort of like matches your body color. This dress, you can already see my reaction. I just love it. I think it is so sexy and so cute. It's so beautiful. I love this little tail it has at the end. I love this rouge material because it sort of helps hide the bulges. I love the fact that it's lined. I love the fact that it has these little invisible straps on here. So it sort of looks like you're not wearing straps. So it looks like it's just sitting up by itself structured. It is just gorgeous. This is stretchy and soft. It just fits great. I wouldn't go up or down inside. I love it. And I was just able to slide it on. Like, you know, it's stretchy. It is just beautiful, phenomenal, so cute. I love it. I love it. I think it's perfect for an all-white party. So, yes, that's this one. I have two more items I want to show you guys. So let me go change real quick. So right now I'm wearing the Sabrina Satin midi dress. Now guys, why I have a taupe dress is completely beyond me. I think I saw the picture and it looked more ivory / white in the picture, so I grabbed it. I'll put a picture on the screen, or my brain was just farting, I don't know. But either way, you could totally wear this with, you could wear this to an all-white party, probably like some kind of white scarf or a cover-up or shawl or something like that. I don't know. Everybody is different though. Some people wear white-ish things to a white party, or they wear off-white to a white party, so who knows. But either way, you gotta get this dress. This dress is beautiful. It is snatched. It is satiny. It feels like liquid. I can't describe it. It's so soft, you guys. It's beautiful. I love this cut. The bodice, it gives you some support, and I'm able to like blend it in with the straps in my bra. Girl, this is just cute. I love it. I was able to just pull it up and pull it on. I didn't have to unzip it in the back, but you can unzip it in the back if you need to. It is just so cute. The size, the fit, the color, the feel of the material, everything about this dress, I just absolutely love it. This little swoosh thing in the front, like it's giving you leg, but it ain't showing everything. Girl, Fashion Nova did that with this dress. You have to get this dress, you guys. Sincerely, get this dress. Okay, so this last outfit is for that straight up rebellious, I'm gonna wear what I want to wear to the all white party person. We all know one. Okay, so this is called When in Beijing Bodycon mini dress, and I have the size 2X, and it fits so bomb. Okay, let's get into this real quick. So like when you first pull it out, it's just like a regular dress. I thought it was gonna be like a more structured material, but it's not. It's like a polyester, but it's a little thick. I'm sort of glad it's not, because otherwise it wouldn't fit so form bodycon fit, you know. If it was more of a stiffer material, it might just hang, and I don't want that. This is hugging all the curves, and I'm so grateful that it's not as short as it was on the model in the picture, because like I don't like my dresses to be that short. I don't mind them being above the knee, but just, you know. So it's a little bit longer than it is in the picture. Like I said, I'm 5'9". This is how long it is on me. I absolutely love this dress. You guys know I used to call myself Black China Bear. You know, it's like represents that side of me, and I love it. I love it, love it, love it. And I like the fact too, I'm wearing it with an afro, so it's definitely Black China Bear. This dress is just phenomenal. I absolutely love it. I think it's so gorgeous. I wish it came in more colors because I would totally get it. This little black trim is doing everything for me. And it has like a little button here, like a little latch button that is easy to put on. Like you guys know I hate those little latch buttons, but this one is very easy to put on, so it's not a problem at all. But this is just phenomenal. So like I said, this is for that rebellious member that wants to wear what they want to wear to the all-white party. And guys, every shoe that I'm wearing in this video is from Fashion Nova. Well, the first pair in the beginning is not Fashion Nova, but every other shoe in this video is Fashion Nova. Every pair of shoes in my bookcase is Fashion Nova. So definitely go shop in the shoe section. I wear a size 11. They do, oh, that reminds me. I was shopping on the site and I saw that they have a few pairs, not a lot, but they have a few pairs wide shoes. So like they are hearing us, you guys. I love when brands accommodate their shoppers, like their customers. That is so brilliant. So they do have a few pairs of wide shoes on their site, but all the shoes that I have, they're not wide. They're just a size 11. So and it fits. So, yeah. So anyways, that's everything for this video. Hope that you guys enjoy. Found something that you love. I found quite a few pieces that I love that I can't wait to wear out. And I will catch you guys in the next video. Again, sorry for the sound. I wish it was better, but life happens, you know, what are you going to do? But I will catch you guys in the next video. So until then, stay fierce and stay fabulous. Melissa Danielle. Mwah. Bye.